Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 7 and we want to present our project. So in this project, we made a MyNote application. MyNote. MyNote is an application that can help users in taking notes. Of course, today more people carry cell phone than carry paper notes that have been around for a long time ago. For a long time, people want something easy and fast, so that's why MyNote is a solution, because the user does not need to carry notes in from the small book, but only needs to open the application. Then the user can record everything. Firebase. Firebase is a cloud service provider and backend as a service BaaS owned by Google. Google Firebase is a solution offered by Google to simplify the work of a mobile apps developer, so they can focus on the developing application without the need to put a lot of effort in the backend problems. There are three service options available on the Firebase, namely Spark. This service can be used free of charge. Plain users are charged $25 for a month to use the service. Blaze users are charged according to use the service file function. So it's a flowchart. In the left side, this flowchart of sign up, and the user must input the email and password, and then the program will saving data and save the data in the database. If the saving data is cancelled, so the program will be back to the to the email and password again, so the user can input email password again. And then after the user make email and password, and then the user can log in this flow chart in the right side. The user can input the email and password after they make in the sign up menu, and then after the email password is correct, the program will go to the menu, and if the email or password is not correct, the program will back to the menu of login. And this is the flow chart of the program. After the users login and the login successfully, the program will be pop up the display of a MyNote menu. In this menu, the user can choose and make a note. And if the users chosen the make note, the program will be next to the next layer. In this layer, and we can see in the right flowchart, left side, in the right side, the user can make a note and write everything in this note. And then after the user done with the note, the user can saving the data, and the data will saving in the database. After the data is saving in the database, the program will be back to the MyNote menu. In the MyNote menu, we prepare the another option that edit, remove, and logout. In the edit, the user can edit the note after they make in the before, and remove two. And for the logout, in logout, the user can log out the application. That means if the user open the apps, the first pop up is the login menu. But if the user not choose the logout, the when the program when the user open the program will display in the MyNote menu, not in the login menu.
Okay, when we first open the application, we will see a login menu like this, and we must input email and the password, and then we click login. We can see the notification is authentication successful. And we fail to authentication, we can get the message is please verify your email first. To verify email, we must sign up. To sign up, we click the sign up button and we to the menu sign up. To sign up, we must input email and click the password. The password of at least must 7 digits. Uh, if less than 7 digits, the message will display password not greater than 7 digits. And then if the correct the message will display verification email is sent, verify and login again, and we get link via email, and we must click this link, and then we can login again with the password and the email after we create. Okay, this is a forget password menu to if the user forget the password. First, click the forget password in login menu in here, and then we redirect to this menu, and then we must input the registered email and click here to recover, and we get the link. We click the link, and then we must change the password with a new password, and then we create new password. After that, we click save, and then we must log in again with the new password and email. And then this is how to create note in my note application. For after success login, we redirect to note app menu. We click this add button, and then we it will display a page like this. We can create a title and a content. After create a note, we must click set button, and then we can get the message is not created successfully. Okay, this is how to edit note in my note application. We can edit note with a click overflow button in here, or click the note. The screen will when we click the note, the screen will display the content and title of the note like this, and then we click this button, edit button in here, and then we redirect to this menu. We can change the content and the title. After we change the content and title, we click this button to update and save note. Okay, this is how to delete note in my note application. In my note application, to delete, we click overflow button in here, and then we click delete. After that, we get the message this note is delete. If the file delete, we get the message is failed to delete. Okay, and then to log out, we can click this overflow button, and then uh, click logout, and then we go back to login menu. Okay, thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.